What's up guys, it's Josh from Blackout Tinting, and you may recognize this truck behind me. If you're familiar with YouTube at all, in the Pittsburgh area, you know that AUTOVLOG just bought a new F150, and that's what this is. The reason it's here, we tinted the windows on it a couple of weeks ago, and he said, hey, I want to get this thing protected too. We are doing XPEL Ultimate Paint Protection Film on the whole front end. It's the best protection money can buy from rock chips and scratches and all that stuff for your new car. We're also ceramic coating the whole car with XPEL Fusion Plus. That's going to stop UV damage and environmental damage, make it super easy to keep clean, and there's nothing as glossy as XPEL Fusion on the market that we've tried. So ceramic coatings are awesome. We're going to be protecting this piece and the upper bumper and the headlights and the fenders and the hood and all that stuff. Aaron is currently working on cutting film for it right now. We're going to show you an in-depth look at what we do every single day. If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, make sure you do that. We're always showing off new cars that come into the shop and showing you what we do.
I came from the mud, there's dirt on my hands. Strong like a tree, there's roots where I stand. Oh, I've been running from the law. Hope they won't shoot me down soon. Catch me howling at the moon. Trying to catch me howling at the moon. Trying to catch me howling at the moon. Trying to catch me howling at the moon. When water's up to my chin. Won't stop fighting to the very end. Many men try to reach it. Many men have failed.
So we're always talking about factory defects in cars. This one was a kind of a funny one. No matter what we work on, we always find something, but we've never found, here it is, a hair inside of the light. So there is paint protection film on here, but that hair is on the other side of the lens. We noticed it before we put the film on. So right there, kind of funny. Super minor, nobody cares. Interesting to show you guys.